Hey everyone, Brandon and Kyle are back into the Kabuki Strength Lab, and today we're going to be talking about foot strength and stability training, specifically through calf raises. Now, this is often a muscle group that's somewhat neglected by strength athletes because it doesn't directly contribute to bigger squats, deadlifts, and certainly bench presses. However, we're looking at calf training more so through the lens of strengthening our foot and ankle. Now, there's a right way and a wrong way to do calf raises. The wrong way is just bouncing up and down and kind of rolling to the outsides of your shoes and not fully utilizing full plantar and dorsiflexion of the ankle. So what we're going to show you is how to do calf raises with the to receive the maximal benefit towards strengthening your feet and ankles. Kyle, go ahead and show them a couple faults with shoes on here. Oftentimes we're going to see individuals stop at about parallel, and if you're wearing shoes, it's very common to roll your feet to the outside of the shoe and not really reap the full stability benefits from the foot. What we want to do anytime we're doing calf raises is, number one, do them in some form of a deficit. Now, you can use like a safety squat bar, a transformer bar, or another implement and stand on something elevated like a few plates if you don't have an awesome machine like this. But if you have a machine that allows you to go through a deficit, here's how you should be doing it. Go ahead and take your shoes off, Kyle. We take the shoes off to receive the full sensory motor feedback of the foot in contact with the machine or in response to the load that we're using. As Kyle does this, we're going to get him about halfway on the implement here. I want him planting all the way through his forefoot as high as he can, and I want him to pause at the top. At this position, you'll probably notice that it feels quite a bit different through the arch of the foot and through the lower leg. Now, as Kyle goes down, he's going to go into an equally deep range of motion to get as far into ankle dorsiflexion as he possibly can, as high as he can through a tempo, and then as low as he can through a tempo. It's very important to be very controlled through this entire exercise and range of motion, and to use the entire surface of your foot in both directions from a stability standpoint. Anything to add there, Coach Kyle?
We talk about barefoot obviously a lot with squats and deadlifts. This is just a great example of where we can hit it doing some accessory work other places in the gym. Bent over rows, accessory work on cable machines. Obviously this one has a little bit better influence because we're directly using our foot to press into the ground.
Brandon and Kyle out.